Hey everybody, today we're going to be taking a quick look at the Milwaukee brand M12 cordless variable speed polisher and sander. I got this from Home Depot online. This is the tool only. This particular purchase came as a set. It came with the charger and the 4 amp hour battery. So let's get this unboxed and check it out. Alright, right out of the box, this kit came with a lot of things. It came with, of course, the polisher itself, along with a tool bag, the charger, the 4 amp hour battery, a handle, so you can attach it to the polisher either side. It came with this polishing kit. It has a couple of different kinds of foam polishing pads along with looks like a wool polishing pad, a little heavier cut on that. And also it came with the 2-inch or 3-inch actually hook and loop polisher backed pad, along with also a smaller 2-inch pad. There you go. A little closer look at the polisher itself. There's no chuck in there, it's a thread insert. Larger battery. Has the 2 speeds, 0 to 2800 RPM and 0 to 8300 RPM. This one denotes a sander. First range is the polisher. Comes stock with the lock. It's either on or off. There's no reverse. This is one rotation clockwise. So there you have it. Very nice. I got a killer deal on Home Depot. This whole kit was $140 out the door. That was the Black Friday sale. I've been waiting for this to go on sale for quite some time. You can find various price points, but they're all usually more than that. So very pleased, a very nice tool by Milwaukee. Great for either sanding or polishing those headlights, hard to reach places on your vehicle. They come with the Milwaukee quality. Very nice tools. I've owned these for years. I'm looking forward to using it. Great tool by a great company.